So hi everyone, myself Himanshu. Currently I am under training at Military Academy. So as you all know, I am direct entry. So it's all good and fine over the academy and want to interact with you because it is much necessary that our youths who are joining the Indian Armed Forces must know the insight of military and armed forces. So basically, everybody inspires from their childhood to become an army officer or jawan or whatsoever they want in their life. But what is the main important point that everybody lacks in today's generation? What I felt is lack of determination and focus, as it was well brought up by Major. So I would like to tell that the focus and determination does not last till your graduation, but also it goes on beyond that selection and getting commission, and after that also it goes on your life. So as you are young boys and aspirants aspiring to join the armed forces, you must be preparing hard for your means exams, SSPs, and whatsoever. So it also requires a lot of potential and efforts to maintain your study and your personal life equally balanced. Because in SSP, what happens, the questions you are put up are not from only study. Check your behavior and your knowledge and your type of friendship and type of bonding you share with parents and environment and your classmates and course-mates, whatever. So anybody going for it or something like that, any NDA. So as far as I know or I've seen that NDA is a golden opportunity, and it is also the most lenient SSB, I think, so. Because you are going as a 12 pass out and they do not expect too much from you. They only expect that you have good behavior and good camaraderie and leadership qualities. So these you are going to inculcate if you have inculcated and if you have experienced or utilized your life. You are going to fill through it, SSB. And talking about my experience, I am a graduate from Kanpur University and I came over here with the reference of myself. So initially it was not well with the teachings, the type of teachings and professors gives, because I've seen the YouTube videos and everything that they give some specific notes. They tell you a story. They tell you what you have to write in that and what type of the ideas you can apply. But it is totally different. It is not like that you have to mug up all the ideas and all the stories and bad words. So it is just individual personality and your individual IQs and you can say हम लोग केस में जो बोलते हैं जुगाड़ जो सर की लाइन वैसा है बाकी तो सब ठीक ही है और एसपी की प्रिपरेशन है आप वट एवर द सर इज टेलिंग डू नॉट he might be, I think he must be not telling you to mug up the stories. He must be not telling you to single story of a single picture. He must be telling or interpreting that story or that film, get out that different. Somebody will put up the different stories. Somebody will put up that. So it is about how you perceive the things, how you utilize your brain, how you utilize the correct method of how you utilize your words and thinking to the utmost power of your logical way. All these things are there to means in the preparation of SSB, and rest you know that sir teaches very well, and I will not say that I am getting over difficult my training sir have given to me. Not I will say that I have taken. वो सर ने आपको सही रास्ते किया want to learn like if news between 20 then after आप मतलब अच्छा नहीं लगता होगा आपको, मेरे को भी नहीं अच्छा। मैंने रीडिंग कभी तो बुक्स मेंशन करती है कि फॉर्म में मैंने लिखा कि आई एम गुड रीडर एंड अ लिसनर तो मैं हूँ, दर्द नहीं था। तो मैंने ट्राई करा कोशिश पढ़ने की, मेरा मन नहीं होता था पढ़ने का, बट आप एक है कि आप उसको पढ़िए, आपको ये फील होगा कि यू आर डिफरेंट पर्सन जो आप पहले थे। कुछ क्वालिटीज इंडिकेट का आपने करी होंगी उससे बुक से, हो सकता है कि बिहेवियर की, हो सकता है आपको इमोशंस को, वट एवर द थिंग, बट आप उससे कुछ गेन करेंगे। तो इस तरीके मैंने 4-5 बुक पढ़ी और हैबिट में आ गया। और फौज में आएंगे आपको तो पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा। फौज ऐसा नहीं है कि इसके अंदर ये मिथ होगा कि फौज ज्वाइन कर तो लड़ाई करनी है और पढ़ाई पढ़ाई नहीं होती, इट इज ऑल मिथ। आपको पढ़ाई करनी है, पढ़ाई जो है अटमोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट ये बात। और टैक्टिक्स से लड़ना तो आपको आता ही है। और एनी क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट यू वांट टू आस्क? ऑल गुड एंड फाइन।